Everybody, welcome back. What's going on? Thank you so much for joining me today for this video. I decided to make a rather large purchase off of Shein.com, and this is a site that sells clothing for a very inexpensive, affordable price. So for me, I'm on a budget, if you guys didn't know, and I still want to look cute, I still want to look trendy, but I don't want to spend a lot of money. So I figured I would give this site a try, and I tried everything on already, and a lot of people love the site, and a lot of people are like, okay, this is like too good to be true, because these prices are so affordable. It's like, okay, well, what's wrong with the clothes? So I figured I'm gonna try everything on. I'm gonna see how this fits. Is this like a fluke? Like, what's going on here? I have all the clothes right next to me, and I am returning everything. Am I returning everything? I'm returning everything but one thing, and I want to just show you guys what I bought, how much I purchased it for, and I want you guys to see how these clothes fit. You know what I mean? So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm just gonna get right into it. Starting off with this lovely, should I really start off with this romper? I don't know, because this was like the biggest letdown for me. So I purchased this romper, and I apologize, I'm looking at my laptop here. This is called the Drawstring Waist Grid Print Cami, hold on, Jumpsuit. This is what it looks like, and you guys will see all these clothes on me, but I thought this would be super cute. I personally love rompers, and I like that this had like a light denim-y feel. It has pockets, does it? Yeah, it has pockets. It has this cute little string in the front. I thought this would be perfect, but it is just way too big. And I apologize if the lighting is awkward, but I have my camera on auto because the sun is just driving me crazy, so I apologize. But this was just so big, and this is also a tip. If you're gonna order off this site, and I'm not saying that this site is horrible by any means, but make sure the items that you purchase, just make sure you can see it on the model. Not that that matters too much anyway, but at least for the two rompers that I purchased, the model, there was no model wearing it, and these are just horrible. These are horrible. So I don't know, I thought this would be super cute. I did not realize how big this would be. This is a small, and it looks, I don't know, it's not flattering whatsoever. I don't really like that the straps are very, very strange. This is the front, and the little, you know, the straps for the shirts, like you can see it. This is the front of the romper. Why should you be able to see this piece in the front? Shouldn't these be in the back? You know what I mean? It's just very, very strange. It's not flattering. Okay, so this is the other romper that I got, and I had, oh my god, even higher hopes for this one. I was so excited for it. Number one, already the strap kind of broke a little bit. Like, I can put it right back in here, but why do I want to spend the time to do that? You know what I mean? Let me see how much this romper was. So this is called the vertical striped cami romper. I got it in a small. Do they sell an extra small? No, they don't sell an extra small, but I thought this would be adorable. No model. They did not have a model showing how this fit. Keep that in mind. Guys, this is horrible. You're going to be able to see in the clip. It does not cover my boobs at all. It is supposed to cover them, you know, but the cinch in the back, I think, is just too strong, so it really pushes the front part outwards, and it doesn't cover anything. What's going on? I had such high hopes for this. Like, this was so cute, like such a brunchy romper, and it's not made very well at all, hence why this strap is already broken. If it could cover my boobs like a regular romper, this would have been perfect. Like, it fits me everywhere perfectly, but the top is just, this is just way too strong. It pulls everything outwards. It's so freaking strange. This is going back. This was $14. So this next piece is a crop top. It's called the cross wrap crop top. It's all black. I really like this. I'm not returning this. So there's two things that I'm not returning. At first when I put it on, I guess I didn't put it on right, and I was a little bit worried, but then I redid it, and it looks really, really nice. I would personally wear it with high-waisted like black shorts, maybe high-waisted jeans, and this feels good too. Again, it doesn't feel like it's worth like $1 million, but it feels pretty nice. It's stretchy. This one I really like, and I really don't have any complaints about it. I like it. It fits pretty good. Okay, so this dress is probably the worst. Actually, I don't even know what's the worst thing. And maybe this is just me. Maybe I just picked bad outfits, but I thought this dress, it's a red scallop dress. Let me see what it's called. A scallop trim tunic dress, and when I saw it on the site, I thought it looked super cute on the model. I personally knew that I would wear it with a thin belt, but when I tried this on, I bought a small. I should have probably gotten an extra small, but this just does not fit well. It doesn't fit well in the neck. It's way too boxy. It's too big on me. The sleeves are too big. I can't even wear this to work. Like, it's just, it does not fit well. It doesn't feel bad at all. It feels a little bit thin, but if this fit, I probably would have no problem with the material or anything. It's not see-through. It's just way too big and a little like frumpy for me, so this is going back. This top I love. This is the other top that I'm keeping. It is just a navy blue v-neck top. It has that square kind of tile-y print. It's a v-neck, which I like. They put buttons going down here in the middle, which I'm not too fond of. Like, the buttons look a little cheap in my opinion, but other than that, I really do like the shirt. It fits really, really well. It feels nice. It feels like I could have gotten this at Forever 21, you know what I mean? So I really like it. It has a little cuff on the sleeve, which I think is cute. You know, some of the thread is coming out, as you can see, but that doesn't bother me too much. Like, I feel like that's like a normal thing if you're buying from Forever 21 or maybe a site like this. So that doesn't bother me too much, but this fits really well, like I said, so I'm definitely keeping this. This was a good purchase. How much did I buy it for? I paid $6.80. So yes, this was a good purchase in my opinion. $7 for this shirt. I really like it, really like the way it fits. This was worth the money in my opinion. Oh my god, guys, I'm keeping 3 shirts. I completely forgot about this. This is like a floral kind of cami top. I will show you. I really like this. This is like such a me top. It fits really well. I wouldn't say it fits really well. It fits well. It's a little bit too big in the arms, but I would wear this with a jacket. I'll wear it with a jacket too. So that won't be an issue for me. If you're gonna just wear this, no jacket, no nothing, it might look a little bit awkward in the sleeve. But other than that, this is okay. It does feel a little cheapy. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. It's not the best feeling material. I bought it for $5.10. So for $5.10, it's really not that bad. It's a nice shirt, and I'm probably not gonna dry any of this. Like, I will put it in the washer, but I will hang it up to dry. They'll probably like totally, I don't know, die in the dryer, but yeah, this isn't, for $5, this is not bad at all, and I'm definitely gonna wear it, not going back. So this next item I bought to wear to the beach because I don't really have a beach cover up. I mean, I do, I just don't like the ones that I have, to be honest. But I saw this cute pineapple light blue color. Number one, I love this color and I like pineapples, so I was like, this should be perfect. It fits okay. It is a bit big. I probably should have gotten an extra small. Let me see if it comes in an extra small. Oh my god, wait, hold on. I did buy this in an extra small and it's too big. Shoot, that stinks. I kind of wish, like, this would be something that I would repurchase in a smaller size, so that stinks. I really like the ties up at the top. I think it's really pretty. I like that it's a v-neck. It feels a little rough now that I'm really feeling it. It feels a little bit hard, but this was just supposed to be a beach cover up for me, so I actually don't mind it at all. It was $5.95, guys. This would have been worth it if it fit me a little bit better. Now I really have to think about it. Maybe I can make it work. I don't know. So that completes this haul. I'm so sorry if I was all over the place. I'm so not used to filming hauls or anything, but I don't know. Now that I'm going through all these items, maybe half of them are like my fault. Like, you know, I probably shouldn't have bought that in the first place. Like, I will say that this dress is a my bad. Like, what was I thinking when I bought it? I don't know. I was thinking about work. This is such a work appropriate dress. So let me know your thoughts on Shein. I would love to know. I'd love to hear what you guys think. If there are any videos that you'd like me to do in the future, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.